Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google guy here today, and I got a new update for you regarding Sheets and Gemini within. So what's really cool is that Gemini now has the ability to diagnose and fix formula errors in one click. I don't know about you, but I've always been one of those people that screws up a formula with a parenthesis, a comma, a quote mark, something in the wrong place, or I just forgot it. So what's really cool about this is it's actually going to fix it for you and help you out. So let's show you how it's going to work. I've got Gemini within Workspace turned on. I've got my smart features turned on. So those are the things that you actually need to have for this to work. Now, if you look in the top middle of our screen, so I've got this error that is from a formula. If we look in the upper left, something's wrong with that. I don't know what it is. So what you have the ability to do now is you can take your cursor, hover over that cell, and then you'll see an option for Gemini to fix. So if we just click on fix, it pulls out that right side sidebar. It's going to look through things, and it's going to give me an option to fix the formula, update the formula to this. And if we look just to my left, it is now fixed automatically. So it has now been fixed for me, and it looked like I added quote marks to something that did not need it. And it actually explains that on the underside in that right side panel of what was wrong, what did I do, what did I miss, that kind of thing. So pretty slick, pretty cool. Started rolling out on the 22nd of June. Hopefully you've got it. If you don't, you may just need to empty your cookies in cache. So with that, until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, this is Triple G signing off, signing out.